everyone, welcome to Makeup and Fashion Diaries. So today's video is all about skincare, and as you can see, I don't have any makeup on my face. This is my bare skin. I just have a lip balm and some mascara, that's it. So for me, these are new. I don't know how new they are for the market, but they are the super smelly, natural and toxin free aloe vera face wash. And the other one I have is their oil control face pack. This is called Acne Warrior. This controls oil, cures acne, prevents acne and unclog pores. So I've been using both of these products now for like 7-8 days, and I've seen a lot of difference in my skin texture. Earlier I used to have a lot of texture right here, and I always break out in my T-zone area. I've been enjoying this face wash a lot. This says put your best face forward, and so what I like to do with this is as soon as I get up, I wash my face using this face wash, and it smells really fresh. And after using this, it makes me feel super energetic and super fresh. If you guys know how tea tree smells, this exactly smells like that. I used to use tea tree oil onto my acne. Whenever I used to break out, I used to apply some tea tree oil mixed with water onto my acne, and it used to really dry it up. So I think it has tea tree oil in it. All natural face wash for boys and girls will leave your skin feeling squeaky clean. It does. And the best part is it doesn't dry your skin up, which usually most of the face washes does. They literally suck all the moisture from your skin, and then your skin feels very tight and dry. But this does not do that, and I've been using this non-stop for a week now, so it's really good. It says it has no paraben, no sulfate, no zinc, no aluminum, no LSS, and there are a bunch of other things which this doesn't have, because this is obviously a free toxin face wash, and also no silicones. So the way I use it, I just wet my face a little bit and just really nicely rub it onto my skin for like good 10 to 15 seconds, and even more if I feel so. This also has aloe vera extract, ginseng extract, glycerin, and aqua carbopol and few other things which I can't pronounce, but there is all the good stuff in here, and this retails for 319 rupees. You get 100 ml of product. I think that's pretty good for a face wash, and this is how it looks. I love the packaging. I love how quirky it is. I totally recommend you guys to try this because it's really nice. Okay, now moving on to my other product. So this is their oil control face pack, Acne Warrior, and this is how the packaging looks. I just love the packaging. They are so quirky and so nice. This is also their zero toxin, and this claims to be oil controlling, cures acne, prevents acne and unclog your pores. So I've used this product for like 3 to 4 times now. It cleanses my skin from deep within, and now this retails for 599 rupees, and you get 70 grams of product. I know this is a little pricey, but then I think you can use this for a really long time. It also says safe for all above 7 years of age. It claims that teenagers can also use this if you're suffering from acne, because obviously this is toxin free, so there's no harmful chemicals in this. This also says no toxin, no paraben, no sulfates and no silicones. How to use this, I'm just going to read this quickly. So apply a layer of mask all over your face with a brush or a finger. Keep it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off with cold water slowly with circular motion of your hands. Enjoy clear skin. What I like to do is I apply this and let it sit for like good 10 minutes, and once I feel that it's dry enough, I just very softly just wet my hands and just rub my face in circular motion and wash my face. That my skin feels so fresh and so clean, and I totally recommend if you guys are suffering from acne, I think you should try this one. And I'm also thinking to try their other products. This brand is really clean, so I love incorporating some clean brands into my skincare routine. And if you guys want to buy this product, they were kind enough to give me a coupon code for you guys. So it's Gagan25. I will link that in the description box, so don't forget to check that. And if you guys want to ask anything about these products, you can totally go ahead and ask me on my DMs. I will reply to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.